Hello, I'm Sönke from HellermannTyton, specialized in appliance and heating, ventilation and air conditioning applications. In this environment in particular, I see continuously increasing demands for speed, quality and process stability. But many processes still put in too much effort, too often. Especially in repetitive tasks, there is massive potential. And that's exactly where automation comes in. Many steps in cable management are repeated thousands of times, often manually, under time pressure and with high ergonomic demands. What if these steps could be standardized, supported, or even fully automated? Our automation solutions make exactly that possible. With our systems, for example, automatic cable tying tools such as the ATS Flex, individual work steps can be reliably supported or fully automated. The ATS Flex also bundles completely waste-free, as no cut-off material or tie cut-offs are generated by using endless straps. So what does this mean for your production? It means more efficiency and consistent quality in your production, plus better ergonomics and more sustainable waste-free bundling process. Especially with high volumes, this makes a valuable difference day after day. One major advantage of our automation solutions is their modular design. That means we adapt the solution precisely to your production, manual or fully automated. For you, this means less effort, greater process reliability, and faster return on investment. I have been supporting customers with these exact challenges for many years, from the initial analysis through to successful implementation. It's never about a one-size-fits-all solution, but always about the right concept for your production. If you're considering how your production might develop in the future, I'd be happy to support you.